So the first thing we do is we have to take out the screws all over. In this case, it's already done. So we're gonna open it. And this unit, as you can see here, is very dusty. It has a lot of dust on the fans. And if we can see, you see there is also hair. Seems that dog or cat hair. And if I keep going forward, you see there is more hair over there. And now we're gonna open and we're gonna remove. Now we're gonna remove the fans. The first thing we do before we touch anything is we have to make sure that the battery is disconnected. Do not remove anything on the computer without the battery being removed. Okay, so now we're gonna be able to remove the fans. We highly recommend doing the cleanup or air cleaning, sometimes tune up, because usually the machines, people don't pay attention to this, but the electronics also get overheat because of the lack of ventilation. So let me show you what happened in this case. This unit wasn't turning on, so now we'll see most of the part of the reasons that it was not turning on is because the fans do not have any ventilation at all. You see the ventilation was full. You see that hair over there, and then we're gonna see the other one. To do the air cleaning, we'll have to remove the fans to be able to clean all that for every single unit. So some of the unit, in this unit, we were removing also the Wi-Fi because it was in the middle of the cleaning, and we were removing the cables. Those cables are coming from the screen. So this is almost there. We recommend this type of work to be done by a professional, for somebody that actually knows what they're doing, because they're touching different parts of the logic board, as you can see here. If it's not done by a professional, that could cause future issues on your computer. You don't want a computer to be damaged just because somebody doesn't know how to clean the unit. By the way, this is a MacBook Pro. This is a 1502, I believe. I will check either a 1502 or 1398. So you see the ventilation over here. We have a lot of hair over there. Seems that the owner has a cat. It looks like that. I'll show you. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and the next step that we do is we do the cleaning part. And as soon as all the parts are clean, we'll also remove the dust that is over there in these areas. We're gonna do that with the compressor, and look at that. Look, also that part is full of dust, and you can see where the ventilation is coming through. Seems that it was exposed to humidity or some sort of water. Okay, so now we're in the process of cleaning. We'll have to do it with the compressor. Okay, now that the unit is clean, also see there is dust in the keyboard. Okay, now everything is clean. We're gonna go back to inside. Thank you. Okay, we're back to the computer we're cleaning. As you can see now, all the dust and the hair that was there is removed. This is a close-up of the unit, and let me give you a close-up of the fan. Remember the way it was? So now we're gonna go ahead and put everything together. And this is what we do when we do an air cleaning for a computer. It's not just to get an air can and put air on top. That's not what is done. What is done is everything that you've seen. We have to remove the fans. We also have to clean the board. We also clean the keyboard from the other side, and then after that we clean outside the unit. Okay, we're gonna finish with that, and I will get back to you when the unit is completely clean and is assembled. And here is the cover that we had before. So now it's clean.